विनाशक माझ नाही कोणी तुझा विनाशक माझ नाही कोणी तुझा विनाशक माझ नाही कोणी वाटे ते चरणी घालू मिठी. It's actually connecting artistically is like connecting as people. It's not very different. So when I meet you for the first time, I meet you with presumptions of who you are. So I have baggage about what music is, how it should be, depending on my training, my culture, all that. The moment I come, so I'm only listening to you with my baggage. So it takes a while for me to just throw this off my head and say, listen to music, man. It's like, listen to the person, meet the person, then you become friends. It's exactly the same in art. See, every art form is trapped in social politics, in caste. In India, it's caste. Every art form, caste, gender, these issues. So if every art form can start conversing beyond that, which is the verticals of society, then there is serious collaboration happening. If every art form is only looking for its own way of being aspiring, then you're not talking about collaboration, you're talking about further emphasizing hierarchy.
गाना मेरा गुरु गाते थे, उनके पीछे पीछे जाते थे हम, बजाने का, गाने का, उनका पीछे पीछे जाके हमने उनका गाना सीख लिया है. साड़ी पहनना और दूसरे के घर में जाना, ऐसा लोग नाम रखते हैं, ये ऐसा है वैसा है करके नको हमारे घर में बोले. फिर मैं 3 बरस मेरे को मेरा भैया और मेरे बाप ने घर में नहीं लिया कि बाहर जाओ, इधर ऐसा चाहिए तो बाहर जाओ, इधर नहीं रहने का. फिर मेरे को घर से हटा दिया.
You tell yourself that everything is equal, everybody is the same. The truth is, behind that liberal head, there are little barriers. And I had as many barriers as you can imagine. I mean, I never had friends who were transgenders. So I really didn't know what to expect. And I'm sure in the back of my head there was these reservations of, So it starts from even there. I mean, music is just part of it, but just as people, you have to connect as people.
मेरे को सब लोग बोलते हैं, यल्लम्मा बोलते हैं, कि जोगप्पा बोलते हैं, यल्लम्मा आई बोलते हैं, रेणुका बोलते हैं. रेणुका बोले तो माता का नाम है. जिस माता का मैं सेवा करती हूँ उस माता का रेणुका यल्लम्मा. रेणुका बोले तो मराठी में रेणुका बोलते हैं. कर्नाटक में कन्नड़ में यल्लम्मा.
So basically, Shubha Chako from Solidarity, we met over a cup of tea, and she said she works with the Jogopas and with the trans community. And the discussion was about doing an event where we highlight the Jogopas being a musical community. I didn't know much about the Jogopas, that's the truth. So she told me about them, and the idea was to have them sing for a little while and me sing for a little while in Bangalore actually. But the moment she said that, idea struck in my head of saying, what's the point in us doing little things by ourselves? And if the whole objective of this kind of event was to create a conversation about different people, different sexualities, why not we try and do a collaborative concept? We work musically with the hope that we're trying to say that no music is greater than the other. It's a social perception that decides which is greater. So how can we create a platform where what is like this is somewhere brought to some kind of an equilibrium? Yeah, it's not perfect. It's not going to be perfect. But can we kind of balance and struggle with it? Can we battle it? So what I see is this engagement as exactly that.
बाकी समाज वाले को कि उत्तर कर्नाटक में भी है, महाराष्ट्र में भी है, कलाकार बहुत लोग हैं हमारे में। बोले तो सुनना चाहते हैं, हमारे बात कुछ मानना भी चाहते हैं, बहुत लोग मानते भी हैं, नहीं मानते भी हैं कि हमको ऊपर ले बोलने का है। हमारा गाना हमको जो पूछना आते सुनना चाहते हैं, उनको भी हमको हमारा सब अच्छा लगना चाहिए, उन लोगों को खुश होना चाहिए। समाज के बारे में भी हम दिखाई नहीं देते थे, हमको भी देख लो, हम तुम्हारे हैं, हम तुम्हारे हैं, हम हमारा छोटा है बोले तो भी हमको ले उसको बड़ा करो, इतना ही मेरा काम है बस।